You from?
I am from Pantnagar University, Uttarakhand.
How long have you been practicing Sahaj Yoga?
So as far as I remember, I was a kid, 5th standard. I've been doing Sahaj Yoga since 14 years.
What benefits did you accrue after doing Sahaj Yoga for such a long time?
When I was a kid, I didn't know anything, but I used to sit, I used to go in the puja, I used to meditate. I didn't know. I became an architect. My whole, life has been so easy, so sorted. I know today's kids, even, the adults also, and I can say the most of the popular generation youngsters feel this kind of stress and anxiety. The moment I stepped into Sahaj Yoga, all that, I don't know, it's vanished. My whole path has been so beautiful. I did my bachelor's architect. I didn't know. I got my visa in 4 months, everything. Now I'm in Italy doing my master's. There also I go to meditation centers. I attend puja also, everything. Sahaj Yoga, life in Sahaj Yoga has been so beautiful for me.
With your experience of 14 years,
Yes.
who do you think Shrimata ji is?
Shri Mataji is like my mother. Shri Mataji is my mother actually. I know that for the students it's really difficult to go to center every day if it's very far away from the colleges, from the cities. But there is one thing that I always say when I step out of my home or let's say anywhere. Ma, you are with me. Anything is possible. Everything is possible. I can do wonders if I am in Sahaj Yoga and if I am with you.
What is your advice to other young people like you who are still seeking? Why should they try Sahaj Yoga? Why should
Yes.
they follow Sahaj Yoga?
I know that nowadays life is very busy, very hectic, but there is one thing. If you are spiritually connected to the Ma, to the God, to that spiritual divine power, to the light, everything will be everything eventually it will be, very beautiful for you. Everything will sort out. Your job, your placements, your study, everything will find a way. There is a very beautiful path written for you. You just have to follow that path. So please, just try, just realize for once, 5 minutes daily is not that much of a big deal. Just try Sahaj Yoga for once and believe me, the path is really beautiful. And if you are not spiritually connected, I think there is no other meaning in life. You have job, you have money, but what if you are still in stress? What if you are still in anxiety? Sahaj Yoga is that way, is that path. So please follow it.
How much money or time do we have to spend to learn Sahaj Yoga?
0. I got it 0. Everyone here got it 0. You will also get in 0 rupees. All you need to do is be consistent, have faith in Ma. That's the only thing. Even if let's say you are a student, your exams are near, you miss 1 day, 2 day, you couldn't do dhyan. Only thing that you need in Sahaj Yoga is to please have faith on Ma and on yourself, and